I have one question for you. Are you looking for a credit repair software that's going to give you the necessary training that you need to be successful in running a credit restoration business? If the answer is yes, you probably want to continue watching this video, because in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the training that we offer in the credit repair software, the Client Dispute Manager. But before I do that, I want to educate you on something. Number one, a lot of people are getting it wrong. They think that they have to have all of these features in order to be successful in this business. And what they really need is they need the correct business model. They need the lead generation training on how to grow the business. And they need to understand credit repair. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you all the training, all the different type of training that the Client Dispute Manager offers to you for absolutely free. Now, this type of training normally sells for thousands of dollars online. And some gurus out there will charge you anywhere from $5,000 to give you and teach you what you are getting for free right here in the credit repair software, the Client Dispute Manager. Now, when you become an active member of the Client Dispute Manager, you will have access to all of these training modules right in the software at any time that you want. So let me show you right now exactly how this works. So I'm going to go right here, and the first thing we're going to do, and all we're going to talk about today, is the training portions of the Client Dispute Manager. So I'm going to go right here to training, and let's first talk about training videos. Now, the training videos, we have over 100 training videos teaching you step by step on how to use the software itself. So you will never get lost in the software because we have training videos on every single page of the software. And not only do we have it on every single page, you can simply type in a keyword right here and find what you want. Say, for example, you want to learn about the credit analysis. You would simply type credit analysis. And as you can see, it pulls up all of the training videos pertaining to credit analysis. Now, on the left-hand side here is the categories. Now, as you can see right here, we teach you not only about how to use the software, but we teach you about the dispute process. Now, if you click on that, you'll see all these training videos pertaining to how to dispute. So if you're new to the industry, you will learn how to dispute for free. We teach you about how to set up your website. And then one of the most powerful things here is our Business Learning Center. Now, a Business Learning Center consists of over 74 high-definition videos on how to start and run a successful credit restoration business. Now, this module alone is worth $2,000 to $3,000 alone without the software. Now, you get this absolutely free inside of Client Dispute Manager credit repair software. Then we have legal and contracts. Then we have taking payments. Then we have client management, how to properly manage your clients. All right. Then we have the FICO score. And then we have what I love the most, the Lead Generation Academy. Now, as you can see right here, we have all kind of videos teaching you how to generate leads. Now, let me say something about that. A lot of people get into the industry and they don't understand how to generate leads. They don't understand how to get customers. You see, it's easy to learn how to dispute. That's the easy part. But it's not easy getting customers to turn over their credit card. And that's where I come in. And that's where I teach you step-by-step moves on how to get your first customer and how to grow your business. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, without understanding lead generation, marketing, and conversion, you have no business. Any software you're in, you're wasting your time because you have to master that part right there. All right, so let me show you this here. Like I said before, this is the Lead Generation Academy, and you get this absolutely free when you become a member of the software. Now, let me show you something else that I love the most. We have workshops as well. Right here, these are all different type of workshops. And also the coaching sessions. Now, look at these coaching sessions. There's so many free coaching sessions right here where I have personally coached new people in the industry all about running a successful business. Look at all these coaching sessions that you get absolutely for free. where other people had to pay money to be coached on particular questions that they had when it came to running their business. So now you get that for free. So I've included that in the software for free. So let's take a look at some other stuff. So now what we're going to do is let's go over to training. And as you can see right here, we have educational links. And if you click on educational links, there's more training right here. The dispute process, legal and contracts, taking credit cards and electronic payments, the sales script, rebuilding your credit, products, lead generation right there. Look at that, 150 ways to market lead generation strategies, okay? So we have a lot of training inside of the software, all over the software, different type of training, everything you need to become successful, whether you're starting off from the very beginning or whether you are a mature and established credit repair company. You can never stop learning. I never stop learning how to market. I'm always trying to learn a new strategy when it comes to growing my business. Now let's take a look at some other stuff here. Let's go back to training here. Now here we have is the credit repair meetings. Now these are the credit repair meetings. We have over 60 credit repair meetings were pre-recorded. Each meeting's anywhere from 2 hours to 3 hours. We have over 60 meetings over the last 2 years of various credit repair companies talking about various strategies. And guess what? You get it for free when you become a paid member of the Client Dispute Manager. We have our lead generation group, our community. We have our Facebook group where you can join our Facebook group and ask all kind of questions. We have the dispute letter group. If you have any issues with disputing, we have the dispute letter group here for you. We have resources and we have extra ways you can earn income. Now, again, like I said, this is the Client Dispute Manager software. Everything you need to become successful in the credit restoration business is right here inside of the Client Dispute Manager. We thought about it. We've done it already. I used to own a credit restoration business. I understand this business from ground up. I am now a marketing expert, and my job is to help you grow your business, okay? That is my job, and I can do that through the Client Dispute Manager software. Now, if you're not a trial member, this is the time that you should become a trial member. If you're not a trial member, we do give away 30-day free trial where you can test out the software for 30 days free. No credit card required, none of that required. If you like it, I hope that you join our family. This is Mark Claiborne, and I'll see you in the next video.